Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Wakestar bracelet making set. We got a different bracelet making set recently as a gift, and my daughter loved it so much that we started browsing around to find another set so that she can keep making more jewelries. She's definitely excited to start using this new set that we got. This set has all kinds of cool stuff in it. There are beads with all the different colors and shapes. There are even beads with letters on them and also various charms that she can add to the bracelet. The beads are separated in a box with a little compartment to keep them organized, so that's really nice to have that. It also comes with different colors of the string and the clasps that go on the edge of the bracelet to complete the jewelry creation. That way we're able to wear the bracelets that we create. This set has everything that a girl needs to make charm bracelets, and my daughter can't wait to start making all kinds of fun creations with it. If you are looking for a gift for girls of various ages or for a fun craft or activity to do together, be sure to take a look at this.